Business presentation. How to make a presentation. Hi coach, can I ask for your help?
Sure, what can I do for you?
I will be giving a business presentation. I don't know what to do. Can you teach me how?
Well, I'll give you some tips. First, organize your ideas into clear paragraphs. Pay extra attention to your concept with it.
Why is it important?
If your concept is unclear, you will lose your audience's attention. You have to consider their needs and how they will benefit from you.
How will I get their attention effectively?
Appeal your themes with charts and illustrations. Visualize is the most effective way to appeal to your content.
Okay, I'll remember that. How can I make it more effective?
The most important thing is to make your message clear and speak with confidence.
Thank you for your tips, coach.
Good luck with your presentation.
Give a presentation. Good evening everyone, my name is May. First, I would like to thank everyone for coming and showing interest. I would like to introduce our skincare product today. As you can see, this is set with soap, lotion, and scrub. Is it whitening or moisturizing? This product is for both moisturizing and whitening.
Interesting.
How are you going to market this product?
Nowadays, it's effective to do online advertising and web marketing.
Like how?
We will post products through Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. We will get an influencer to do a product review.
That sounds nice.
We will use email marketing. We will put billboards up on the main street and station in the major city. We also use TV commercials to our advantage.
That is a good idea. Let's have a meeting again next week.
Sure, thank you so much for your time.
It was a good presentation.